For the last couple of years, I've seen on inspection reports inspectors saying that the house is deficient or there's a safety hazard because of the lack of arc fault protection. That's a tough word to say. Arc fault protection. Now what this arc fault protection is basically it's a fancy breaker, and it detects if there's an arc in the wall, which is great. It could prevent a fire. In the 2005 NEC codebook is when they first started requiring you to install these arc fault breakers in your home. And then they only required them in certain places. Well, in the 2008 NEC codebook, they required them in a bunch more places. So if your house was built prior to 2005 area, it probably doesn't have the arc fault breakers. And so if you had an inspection report, they're going to say there's a deficiency because you don't have them. Now, what I want to do first here is read to you where exactly these arc fault breakers are required or what they need to protect. And this is according to the 2008 NEC Codebook, Article 210.12 under arc fault circuit interrupter protection. It says in a dwelling unit, they need to protect the branch circuits serving family rooms, dining rooms, living rooms, parlors, libraries, dens, bedrooms, sunrooms, recreation rooms, closets, hallways, or similar rooms or areas. So this is a lot of areas. So if you're considering doing this repair and your house does not have arc fault breakers in the panel, then you could be looking at anywhere from 5 to 10 breakers needing to be installed to cover all those areas. A breaker, arc fault breaker, depending on the brand, can run you anywhere from $40 to $60, $65, somewhere in that range. This is going to be a pricey repair. Sometimes the panels, it's just a matter of installing the breakers or replacing existing breakers. Sometimes certain panels, depending on the age of the home, won't accept these arc fault breakers, so you have to actually change out the whole panel. Now this is a repair we've done. Honestly, we don't do a lot of these repairs, mainly because of the price. We have done them. I've done several. Honestly, it was a little pricey, but that's what they need to do to make the deal go through, so we had no problem with that. If you have any questions on your home, exactly where they need to be or how many you would need to have, feel free to give me a call. We can look at it, talk about it, and see what the best option is for you. Thanks.